So once we've created our site, we can then start to look at using the widgets. So if we go to Edit, okay, now on Settings we've got our theme. We can change the theme if we wish, so change the theme. Again, there's quite a few to choose from, and either one will do us. So I'll just go to a nice one that I like to use. Okay, so once you've got your settings, we can then click onto Page on the left hand side. This will allow us to look at the layout of our site. So at the moment we've just got one box, so everything will fill the page, or we can move to 2, which will give us 2 columns, or 3 columns, the different arrangements for 3 there, and obviously we can do the same with 4. So let's just click on that one. So I want 4, I'm going to choose that arrangement, and as you can see the boxes on the screen have changed according to the arrangement that I've selected. Right, we're going to start inputting some information onto our site, so we need to look at the widgets. So there are a few widgets that you need to be aware of, and probably the most popular to use. The first one is the media widget. That will allow you to put photographs, music and videos into your site. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to drag that widget across. Now what I'm hoping for it to do is to turn the box blue. Once I've turned the blue, I can release it and it will put in that widget there. So to actually input something into that widget, so I'm going to double click on that, and you can see now I've got a choice to upload it. So I'm going to try and put in something that's quite apt at the moment. School's out for summer. I'll search that and see what images or videos we can come up with, what it will find. Okay, so we can put in a video. Okay, we can actually put in a picture, so that's quite a nice picture, so I'll use that. Okay, and as you can see it's popped that image straight in there. The next widget I'd like to show you how to use is the text widget. So again, click on the widget, drag it across and just pop it into a blue box, or into a box which turns blue. Here, just as in Word, I can type directly onto the page. Okay, and again I can highlight that and I can change the font, I can change the size. Okay, again using these text edit, we can put a picture in, we can put a table in, we can insert lines, we can put symbols in, so that works just very similar to Word, and you can pop those in. So that's that. I'll then look at putting a file in, because this is the other one that we can use quite a bit of as well, so I'll just pop that in there. Now I use this really to input my PowerPoints in, so I've already got PowerPoints that I use in my lessons. So if I want to upload a PowerPoint, I double click on that and you can see here I can search for it, so I'm going to upload it from my drive or from my area. Okay, let's find a PowerPoint. There we go, an acids and alkali PowerPoint that I've used recently. Click on open, and as you can see that's now been inputted into there. Just to let me know that I've done it, I can actually change the name of the file. Okay, I would advise you to save them quite regularly, because if it does go off you will lose your work. Other widgets that we can use, they are embedding of the website, so we can use a link to a website, so I'll pop that one in there. it's probably best to open up a new window here, find the website that you would like. So for example, let's put BBC Bite Size in. Okay. And the best thing to do there really is to click, highlight, copy the address and then pop the address into the URL point, and what you should find is that that will then go in there. So if I just want to upload an icon, I'll type that into the search engine, just for me a little icon that's not just the links, it will be appropriate for what it's for. Okay, click on that, I'm going to use it. Okay, and save my changes. And as you can see, that now will give me a direct link to that website. If I wanted to, I could actually embed a website into it. So that means that when you have out of edit mode, you will actually see the website in there as well. So let me give you an example of that. Let's go into the French exam skills. So if I take that one, copy that, click on that, enter my URL into there. Okay, return it. It should do it. Save changes. Now you won't see any change in there. If you come out of the edit, as you can see, that website has now been embedded. This is really useful if you want the students to do it as extra work or extra research for something if they've completed all your work. So that gives you a brief overview of some of the most popular widgets that I use when I'm working in Frog.